Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well. So welcome back to my channel where I speak English. So today now in the field and backside basically place home. So it is a beautiful nature and then uh, the area is very high distance. So today I share you no story. Today I share you the another topic. The topic is most powerful. So let's start. Topic name is education is the most powerful weapon. So let's start. Education is the most powerful weapon. It is true. And along this line, we can do many things in life. And we are already successful mentioned in this line. And it is recognized to our world and teach us know about in the society. And education is know the teachers holds all of science. If they are life fighting weapons, it is and education is a weapon which can all the win wars. So I will say only on things of the end. Don't give up weapons of education because it is our life fighter. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone listening for attending my video.